Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LaunchDarkly feature flags UI, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for LaunchDarkly. Press enter to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the login button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will now be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you want the system to remember your login details, check the Remember Me box. After confirming your details, click the Login button. If you have set up two-factor authentication, you will be prompted to enter a code sent to your mobile device or email. Retrieve the code and input it in the required field. Click Verify to complete the authentication process. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the LaunchDarkly dashboard. Here, you can access the feature Flags UI and start managing your flags. Explore the various features available to effectively control your flags and their settings. If you encounter any issues during login, check your email and password for accuracy. For forgotten passwords, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password if necessary. Now you are all set to manage your LaunchDarkly feature flags efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.